Hello guys, this is Ayuj HD Adobe Premiere Pro training program. So today we're going to show you how to import the video to your project or new project. So we're going to start in step by step. First, you see this open dialog box and you click on new project. It's going to open Premiere Pro new project title. Then you're gonna name this you can name it like something you like. And if you want to change this format, is like time code or something, you just click here and you can change anything you see here. If you know what you do, you can change it, but in this time just I leave it here. So I just click OK. When I click OK, it's going to open the Premiere Pro interface area. This is Premiere Pro interface area, so you can change anything you want to do with it. So mostly you can use editing, or if you use earlier version of Adobe Premiere Pro, it's like editing CS5 or before versions, you can do this. I like this way by myself. Okay, so if you want to import the video, the first thing you do is double click in this project YouTube and go to it and select the video you want to import in the Adobe Premiere Pro. So just click select in the video and import, click to import yellow box. Now you're gonna see this starts import the video. So the first thing you can do is double click the video to import in timeline. Okay, if you import it in timeline, this one is the preview, okay, the source file preview area. So if you want to import to cut in out or something like that, so if you hit the spacebar, it's gonna run the video. So you know that. So if you want to get from here right now, just click I, the keyboard I, and out if you want out area. So click O. So in this case, this one, if you want to move the video only, drag this one. If you want to move the audio only, drag this one. This is audio, this is for the video. So if you want to both of them, so click and drag, put it in timeline. Okay, it's gonna change the sequence and it's gonna import it here. So this is how you're gonna import the video. So you can edit it anytime. So we come back another video. Just don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.